Hello for Love Fresh fam, my name is Bina, aka Bina Butta, and welcome to my world. I'll do it again. I've got two older brothers. The oldest is Relic, my middle brother is Kenyan, and I am the youngest. So I'm the only girl, and the youngest of three. And you can hear my son in the back spitting. The freshest out of myself and my brothers, honestly, I'm not gonna lie, it's me. We're very much a musical family. Both my parents raised us at church, so that's where they introduced music to us, and at home. My mom has always been a choir director, and dad's always singing with my brothers. My oldest brother, Relic, he's more in the live music scene. And Kenyan, he's the producer in our family. He writes songs, he produces it, he mixes it, and yeah, he records for us, he does everything. Oh, here, it's your dad. Because he's making the spitting noise in the back. We'll go through it all, and through the rise and fall. I literally just woke up one day and I had some notifications. People were like, oh, hey, like everyone's doing this TikTok. There's like a dance, and then there was a second dance, and there was a third dance. And I didn't expect Lady Love to blow up the way it did, especially on TikTok. But I think what I loved the most was, besides it shocking me, I was moved, I was touched that like our people were relating to our song Lady Love, and you know, they jammed it, they blew it up. I would say my favorite song out of the few that I've released is definitely Blessing. You can hear her heartbeat. Wake up. Blessing was the song that symbolized my newest and most life-changing chapter, was when I became a mother. And from then onwards, or any song or any project I put out there, one way or another, it's influenced by my kids and my husband. Growing up Samoan in Australia and California, I think it's been such a different and definitely a fun experience. Growing up in the States, you know, in primary, and then now my youth and adult years here in Australia. Specifically Western Sydney, I feel blessed because I'm surrounded by so many different Pacific Islanders and our own people. And just being able to embrace our culture and the diversity that's out here is such a dope feeling. Yes, I definitely have plans to put out an EP, most likely next year. And hopefully no kids before then. But I can't guarantee, I can't promise. Might have another blessing.